Hey guys, here I'll be showing you how to add full support for Warzone Fiesta on your map. So you want to first bookmark the prefab, load into your map in Forge, and make a folder for this mode. I'm calling it Warzone Fiesta, and set that folder as the working folder. Now you'll want to spawn in the prefab. Prefab is called on-level kit Warzone Fiesta. And I usually want to place this in around the top middle of the map. This is for a debug thing later. Now unprefab and take the two AI spawners. You want to place these two AI spawners in an area that has nav mesh. And the way you see nav mesh, go to tool settings, nav mesh visualization. Everywhere where there is blue, that's where there's nav mesh. So these AI spawners are triggered on round start, and you should never see AI spawn on these in gameplay. But if for some reason you do, it's good to place these spawners in some area that is away from the map intro cameras and also the initial spawns. So here I'll just be placing them in the top mid area here, and make sure that the boundary is fully intersecting nav mesh, such as this. Now at this point we're pretty much done with the setup, but of course we have this platform here in the map. Now it is useful to have this for a debug version, so I'll actually make a save called Warzone Fiesta debug that I can go back to later if some issues happen. But now, in order to make the final version, let's select all the remaining objects here. And an easy way to do that is to find a folder. I'm going to uncollapse all folders so item selection issue doesn't happen. Make sure there's only 21 objects selected and make those into a prefab. Now what you'll want to do is place this object somewhere far away from the map where it cannot be seen or heard. So a good spot on this map is right around here. And in order to make the moving of this prefab easier, I'm going to hide the entire map except that singular folder. Now we will move it to place. And it's around here. I'll want to unhide the map to make sure that it's not intersecting any geo. So there's a nice open area right there. And once you've placed it correctly, be sure to unprefab. If you keep it prefabbed, some issues may happen with the vehicle that is in there. And that should be it for the setup. Let's do a save. Warzone Fiesta ready. Make sure that our spawners are there. Yep. And now let's move on to testing the mode in customs. To make sure the mode works, you'll want to select the map, go to version history, and select the Fiesta Ready version, custom game, and then use the debug Warzone Fiesta mode. You'll have to bookmark this and play.
Slayer, Warzone, Fiesta.
Once the map loads in and you spawn, you will be given a set of weapons that ensure that the support is full. So here I'm being given all of these special weapons that are made possible by the addition of the platform that we put in, such as the turrets here. Now once everything has spawned in, you'll want to pick up a few key items and make sure that they are firing the custom projectiles. And they seem to be working. So with this you can be sure that when you load the actual mode, that all of these custom weapons are supported. That's it.